Today I'm going to teach you how to invite attendees to a Mozilla Thunderbird event. This is a great way to schedule meetings and automatically notify everyone who needs to be there, all without leaving your email client. First, open your Thunderbird application. Once it's loaded, direct your attention to the left side of the interface where you'll see various icons representing different features. Click on the calendar icon to access Thunderbird's built-in calendar functionality. This is where you'll manage all your events and appointments. Now that you're in the calendar view, look toward the top left of your screen and click on New Event. This action will open up a dialog box where you can configure all the details for your upcoming meeting or event. It's a straightforward interface designed to make event creation as simple as possible. In this event dialog, you'll need to input a title for your calendar event. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies what the meeting is about. Below the title field, you can also specify a start and end time for your event. This helps everyone know exactly when to show up and how long the meeting is expected to last. Take a moment to ensure these details are accurate before moving forward. Next comes the important part, inviting your attendees. At the top of the event dialog, click on Invite Attendees. This feature is what transforms a simple calendar entry into a collaborative meeting invitation. Once you click it, a field will appear where you can input the email addresses of everyone you want to invite to this event. Type in the email addresses of all the attendees you want to invite. You can add multiple people by separating their addresses appropriately. Thunderbird will send each person an invitation that they can accept or decline directly from their email. Once you've added everyone who needs to be there, click OK to confirm your attendee list. Take a final moment to review all the details you've entered. Make sure the title, time, and attendee list are all correct. When everything looks good, locate the Save and Close button at the top of the dialog and click it. This will finalize your event and send out invitations to all the attendees you specified. And that's it. You've successfully created a Thunderbird event and invited all your attendees. They'll receive email invitations and can respond accordingly, making it easy to coordinate meetings right from your email application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.